Hey there. Today we're going to have a blast with the letter H. And by the end of this video, you will be a letter H superstar. This is the letter H. Can you say H? Great job. The letter H makes a sound like this, as in hippo. Can you say Great job. Let's look at some words that start with the letter H. Here is a hippo. And here is a hat. And look, a house. Can you think of any other words that start with the letter H? I'm sure that you can come up with some terrific ones. Fantastic. You're doing great. Now let's learn to write the letter H. Start at the top, draw a straight line down, then add another straight line next to it, and connect them in the middle with a line across. Can you draw an H in the air with your finger? Are you ready? Start at the top, draw a straight line down, then another straight line next to it, and connect them in the middle with a line across. Fantastic. You're doing great. H is also for hopping and helping. Let's hop like hippos in the water together. Great job. That was some excellent water hopping. Now let's help someone. Can you help pick up some toys today? Helping others makes us feel happy. Now let's do a fun letter H activity. We will use shapes to make a horse mask. We will use rectangles, ovals, and circles to make our horse mask. First, draw 4 triangles. These will be the ears. Next, we need to draw 5 more triangles. These will be our horse's hair. Okay, now we need to draw 1 big oval, then draw 2 circles. Go ahead and draw the horse's eyes onto the circles. Last, draw 1 medium-sized oval. Go ahead and add the horse's nostrils and his mouth. You're doing great. Your shapes look amazing. Now let's add color to our shapes. Ask an adult to help you cut out your shapes. Awesome. We are getting so close. All that's left is to put our mask together. To make our mask, we need to start with the large oval. We will glue all of our shapes onto this oval. Next, glue on the horse's eyes. Glue on the horse's mouth and nose. Then glue on the horse's hair. Last, glue on the horse's ears. Great job. You have a fantastic horse mask. You did an amazing job today. We learned all about the letter H, how to write it, some words that start with the letter H, and we even learned how to make a horse mask. You're officially a letter H superstar. See you next time.